I have the Xiaomi Watch S3 and I'll be showing you how to rearrange apps. So if you want to change the order of apps and you want some apps to go higher and some lower, then here's what to do. Just go to the Mi Fitness app on your phone, tap on device, and then on that menu, if you scroll, you should find sort apps. You can tap on that and then you can choose any app you want to rearrange. So let's say the music app you use a lot and you want it higher on the list. Just long press on the right side and then drag it to exactly where you want, and it's going to get adjusted on the watch, right? So that's basically how to rearrange apps on your Xiaomi Watch S3. Okay, you can move apps lower or higher in the list. That's going to be updated automatically. Thanks for watching. Comment and questions down below and good luck.